Hello everyone, welcome back to mathsmood. Today we have an interesting equation. We have 25 to the power x equal to 125 and we need to solve this equation. The first and the obvious case is to use logarithm here. This is a classic logarithm property, logarithm rule. But I want to show you a really good second method, a faster method how to solve it. If you don't know log, this is a really good faster method. So the first method is using logarithm. But I want to show you the second method. So first of all, we can write this 25 as 5 squared. So let's do this. We will have 5 squared to the power x equal to this 125. It's really good to write as 5 cube. And take a look what we will have. If you know the rule, if we have a to the power x raised to the power y, you can write it as a to the power x times y. So if we use this rule right here, this is the same case as right here, so we need to multiply our powers, our exponents. So as a result, we will have that 5 to the power 2x equal to 5 cube. And this is a classic equation because we have same base and we need to write an equation with our exponent. So we will have the 2x equal to 3, and if we divide both sides by 2, we will have that our answer x equal to 3 over 2, so 3 half. This is our answer. So if you're interested in log, of course you can solve it using log, but this is a faster method, so I prefer this one. If you still have any question, write a question in the comment, write a suggestion in the comments. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.